Hello everyone and welcome. Today, I will guide you through the process of filing a confirmation statement to Companies House using easy digital filing software. A confirmation statement ensures that your company's information held at Companies House is accurate and up to date. This statement must be filed annually within 14 days of the confirmation date, which is usually the anniversary of your incorporation. Let's go through the steps together. Begin by logging into your account on the Easy Digital Filing website. Your previous filing information will be available in the Filings View section. If you don't have an account, you can create one from our home screen. If your filing is due soon or overdue, it will be highlighted here, ready for you to get started. Otherwise, you can begin by clicking on Add Filing. Then, select Company House Template and scroll to find Companies House Annual Confirmation Statement. Click on the template and select Create Filing. You will find that most information, such as company number and registered address, are pre-filled, retrieved from Companies House. Here, you would need to complete any missing fields. If you haven't used our software before, you would need to add your Companies House authentication code. This is a 6-digit alphanumeric code issued to each company for online authorization. You now would also need to provide a registered email address. As of March 2024, Companies House requires all companies to have a registered email address, so this might be a new feature that you may not be familiar with. In this section, you may update the SIC code if your principal activity has changed. For changes to directors or other significant details, update these changes directly with Companies House before submitting your confirmation statement. Toggle the confirmation statement option to confirm that future company activities will be lawful. Then, sign your name and date the document. All you have to do now is click Save, then proceed to Ready to File. Your filing will appear in the Filings View section. Here, you can click the card icon under Submit Result, where you can proceed to purchase the filing by entering your card details and selecting Pay Now. Once payment is completed, you will be redirected to the Filings View page. Finally, click the Submit icon, confirm, and submit to Companies House. You can see that your submission is accepted by Companies House and will be pending manual review. This review typically takes less than 20 minutes, but may take up to 5 days. We will email you once a response has been received. You can also download the filing artifacts if needed. Your confirmation statement will be available to view on your company's profile on Companies House website. Now, you can sit back and relax. If you encounter any issues or have any questions, you can contact us via customer service chat, submit an inquiry form, or give us a call. Thank you for using Easy Digital Filing.